In this lesson, I'm going to teach you 10 expressions using the word no. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. The word no is the 59th most popular word in the English language. So, you'll hear it used a lot. And there are many expressions that we use with the word no. In this lesson, I'm going to share with you 10 of those expressions. Okay, our first one is let me know. Let me know. And you can use this when you are speaking or when you're writing on your smartphone. You write to your friend, let me know. You're waiting for an answer from that friend. A more polite way to say this would be, please let me know. I am waiting for your answer. Here are some example sentences. Let me know if you can go. Let me know if you are interested. Let me know if you can meet me. In all of these, you're waiting for your friend to answer if they can join you or meet you. If you have any questions about this lesson, please let me know. Our second use is, I just don't know. Or, I honestly don't know. This is used when you do not have the answer. For example, will YouTube continue to be free in the future? I just don't know. I honestly don't know. I hope so. All right, number 3 is as far as I know. And I want to thank my viewer, Mohammed, for this suggestion. Great suggestion, Mohammed. As far as I know. And this is a confusing expression. And it means as much information as I have or I'm aware of, that's when we would say, as far as I know. Let me give you some examples. As far as I know, the English Premier League has the best players. As far as I know, many Americans live in the suburbs. So, for as far as I know, you will often hear facts and figures. So numbers that people will use. As far as I know, this many percent do something. Number 4 is as you probably know. As you probably know. And this is used when the speaker knows information about you, but you are trying to confirm that information. So I could say, as you probably know, I'm American. As you probably know, I really enjoy teaching English. All right, we're on to number 5. And number 5 is know about. And we use know about to talk about general knowledge or general information that you know. For example, I know about teaching languages. I know about basketball. How about you? What do you know about? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And for know about, you will often hear this used in the negative. I don't know about. All right? And with that, you'll also hear that people will use much included in the sentence. So they would say, I don't know much about. So maybe I don't know much about politics. I don't know much about science. And that's a sentence. You'll often hear that used, or you'll read it. I don't know much about. We are on to number 6. All right, number 6 is also used in the negative, and it is, I didn't know that, right? And that's a common answer you will say when the information is new and you did not know it before. For example, did you know that Taylor Swift's grandmother was an opera singer? I didn't know that. Okay, number 7, know for certain. And know for certain is used when you think you know, but you're not completely positive. So maybe you know 70 to 80% that the information is true. Okay, let's look at some examples for this one. I don't know for certain, but I heard the new boss is tough. I don't know for certain, but I think my brother has a girlfriend. So again, in both of these sentences, I'm 70 to 80% sure the information is true, but I'm not completely positive. There is a 20%, maybe 30% chance that I am wrong. So we say, I'm not positive, or I don't know for certain. Number 8, do you know what I mean? And this is used when you're asking the other person, can you understand how I feel? Can you sense how I feel? What I'm thinking? Do you know what I mean? I really want to meet with all my friends and go out to a restaurant. Do you know what I mean? I really want to get on an airplane and be able to travel again. Do you know what I mean? The speaker is waiting for the listener to agree with their statement. And you can answer by saying, yeah, I know what you mean. I feel the same way. Number 9, know right from wrong. And we use this when we're trying to see if a person has common sense, whether they can understand what is good or bad. And you'll often hear parents use this to talk about children. For example, that child does not understand right from wrong. They do not know right from wrong. So we can use both those words, understand or know, interchangeably. All right? She doesn't know right from wrong. On to number 10. Number 10, know inside and out. And we use this when a person really understands a topic, when they really know something. They absolutely know everything about a certain topic or a thing or a sport. For example, if you really know about a book, let's say you read this book many, many times, and you know all the characters in the book, then you could say, oh, that book? I know that book inside and out. This means you know everything from the beginning of the book until the end of the book. You know it inside and out. If you took the book apart from the inside to the outside, you understand it. It means you really have a very high level of knowledge. You know it inside and out. In this lesson, you learned 10 very useful expressions using the word know. I hope you can use these to sound more natural speaking English. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.